How's it going, guys? Jake with Vape Help and Reviews, and I'm back with another treat for you. Today we got a Nicquid's Bahama Blizzard. It's a whole lot of mint in there. That is for sure, But yeah, definite ice hit in there too. Hence the Blizzard. If there was any more fruit in here, honestly, I would expect this liquid to come with a freaking umbrella in it. It's got some orange, some peach, cranberry. Yeah, Nicquid, it's lab created. I mean, it's the same batch, the same stuff, every bottle. And you don't have to worry about some of these home brews where, it's a little bit wonky. This stuff is made the same every time. That's why I like Nicquid. And the flavors are pretty good. I mean, if you can get past the ice, I actually like that pretty good. Don't forget about our giveaways. Like us, subscribe, and keep your wick wet.